This is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes, roasted vegetables. So in here, guys, I have Brussels sprouts, carrots, cauliflower, orange cauliflower, broccoli, red onion, red peppers, black pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, Hungarian paprika, and avocado oil. So let's get started. So into my bowl, I'm gonna add broccoli, orange cauliflower, peppers, Brussels sprouts, carrots, onions. So into my vegetables, I'm gonna add garlic powder, like so, onion powder, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and paprika, some salt, yeah, avocado oil, okay, all right. I'm gonna toss everything together just like so, guys. Okay, everything is tossed. Okay, next we're gonna transfer our vegetables into a baking sheet and roast them at 425 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. At 15 minutes mark, we flipped our vegetables. It's been 25 minutes and our vegetables are ready, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bee's channel, and please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Guys, we don't want you to miss our videos because you'll be missing this yumminess. Oh, guys, the aroma. So it's calling my name. Please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.